Dang, this rain just won't stop. Wait. I think I have an idea. Hey, how fast can you get here? Hello, Cole. What's up? What you need me for? Well, that was fast. I am rich, so there's a lot of different ways to get around. Like jets, teleportation. Okay, so my question was, could you stop the rain? You want me to stop the rain? You're rich, so I was... Okay, just because I'm rich doesn't mean I can control the weather. Sorry. Just trying to help. Can you? Well... I mean... I do have government things that maybe could control the weather, but... experimental. Okay. Alright.